so long I don't know when. If I could go back in time, you know I'd do it all again. I grew up breathing diesel, riding steel and chrome. I worked damn hard to get where I'm at, and I did it on my own. Cause I'm a wheelburner.
All right, so we got a bit of a thunderstorm. You hear that? That's some real nice thunder. Either that or I'm hungry. There's no lightning though, so we're okay. What I'm gonna do here, we're gonna do a video quickly on the cost of doing business. That's what we're gonna call this. Just the cost of doing business. So for all of you that don't own a truck, that aren't in trucking or anything like that, but you're wondering like the expense, some of the expenses of what it costs us to do our jobs, to run our businesses, to operate our trucks. I'm gonna give you a real easy one here, and then I'm gonna give you the prices and let you see what we go through out here. And this is multiplied by 10 over the last 2 years, okay? So we'll start here. We're gonna go with a headlight. This is what this is about. There's a headlight on a Freightliner, okay? Headlight works, signal works. The marker, you can't see it, but the marker light is actually on too. So this whole assembly works. Come over here. Not so much. No marker, no signal. Now, I'm at Freightliner, okay? And I'm like, okay, I need this. Now, I knew it was going to be pricey. For that whole assembly, because it's an enclosed light, you can't just buy the bulbs and change them out. The enclosed light, or the whole module, is $1,406 Canadian. Now, there is a module that sits right here on the inside there that controls the signal and the marker. But in my case, when they checked the module, it had fried and had burnt a hole in there, so it's garbage. I can't just replace the module. I have to replace the whole thing. $1,406 Canadian for a fucking light. And you wonder why we're screaming we're not making enough money when I have to pay. On my Kenworth, it would cost me $14 for a headlight. On the Volvo, I could replace both lights on the Volvo for 30 bucks. 30 bucks on the Volvo. So we've gone from the era of paying $14 up to $30 up to $1,400 for fucking headlights. So here's number 2 here, okay? Sorry, my truck needs a wash, but we're gonna do this quick. Right here, this is where our DEF fluid goes, right? This is held on by magnets. Now my magnets, like if I'm driving down the road within 3 minutes, driving, rattle, it falls open. Right here is a magnet. That's a piece of plastic with 2 little metal magnets in there, okay? There's one here, and there's one over here. So, for 1, 2, 3, 4, for the 4 magnets, they're $28 each. 28 bucks for the magnets. And $12 for those pieces of plastic to put them in, to seat them in, to screw them to that. Now I'm getting pissed off. Look at this rain. But at the end of the day, I'm looking at 150 bucks. 150 bucks. I can't even fucking see it. 150 bucks for that. Right? Where is it? Where is it? Right there. 150 bucks for 2 of these. Basically 2 pieces, these 2 pieces of plastic and 4 of these little magnets. 150 bucks Canadian. And now people understand when we say we're not making enough money, it's because the money that we're making, our income or our earnings or our revenue has not kept up with the price of doing business. We don't make enough money to justify the prices we're having to pay for our trucks and our parts and our service and shit like that. It's just not worth it. I'm getting a free shower anyway. I'm going to break out the soap. But there you go. You know what? I just wanted to throw that at you and show it to you real quick. You know, just so you guys know that, you know, it's not cheap out here doing what we do. Anyway, we'll see you down the road.